Engine cylinder head damages. Engine cylinder head damages. Cracks. Cracks can occur in the cylinder head due to overheating, head gasket failure, or impact damage. Cracks can be small and insignificant, or they can be large and cause serious engine problems. Warpage. Warpage occurs when the cylinder head becomes deformed due to overheating. This can cause the head gasket to fail and allow coolant and oil to mix. Warpage can also make it difficult for the valves to seal properly, which can lead to poor engine performance and increased emissions. Holes. Holes in the cylinder head can be caused by impact damage, corrosion, or fatigue. Holes can allow coolant and oil to leak out of the engine, which can lead to overheating and engine failure. Melting. Melting can occur in the cylinder head if the engine overheats to the point where the metal begins to melt. Melting can cause severe damage to the head gasket, valves, and other engine components. Seizing. Seizing occurs when the piston and valves come into contact with each other due to overheating. Seizing can cause severe damage to the cylinder head, valves, and piston. Corrosion. Corrosion can occur in the cylinder head due to exposure to moisture and acids. Corrosion can weaken the metal and make it more susceptible to cracking and damage. Fatigue. Fatigue occurs when the metal in the cylinder head is stressed over time. Fatigue can cause cracks to develop in the head, which can lead to serious engine problems. Gasket damage. The head gasket is a thin seal that sits between the cylinder head and the engine block. It is responsible for keeping coolant and oil separate, and for preventing combustion gases from escaping. Gasket damage is a serious condition that can cause a variety of problems, including overheating. As mentioned above, overheating is one of the most common symptoms of head gasket damage. Loss of power. A damaged head gasket can cause the engine to lose power. This is because the combustion gases are escaping from the cylinders. White smoke from the exhaust. If coolant is leaking into the combustion chambers, it will burn and produce white smoke. Milky oil. If coolant is leaking into the oil, it will give the oil a milky appearance. Bubbles in the coolant. If combustion gases are leaking into the coolant, you may see bubbles in the coolant reservoir.